Today, get ready for a ride that blends class, comfort, and quiet confidence, a car that has been trusted by millions around the world and still manages to surprise with every new generation. If you've ever wondered why the Toyota Camry continues to dominate the midsize sedan market, this video will show you exactly why. But before we begin, here's a quick hook for you. What if I told you there's a car that can give you luxury-level comfort, Lexus-like refinement, outstanding reliability, excellent resale value, and still keep your fuel cost lower than most SUVs, all without breaking the bank? That car is the Toyota Camry. And today, you're about to discover what makes it so special. Let's begin with its design. The latest Toyota Camry carries a personality that's both confident and sophisticated. The body lines are sculpted with purpose, the metallic paint reflects light like liquid silver, and the overall stance delivers a very executive presence. Whether you see it parked in a driveway, pulling into a meeting, or cruising down the highway, the Camry looks graceful from every angle. At the front, the wide grille and sharp LED headlights give it a bold, distinguished look. It's not trying too hard. It's not loud. It's calm, refined, and mature, exactly what a true premium sedan should feel like. Move to the sides and you'll find clean lines running across the body, giving the Camry a sleek aerodynamic profile. And at the rear, the taillights carry that modern Toyota signature that instantly feels upscale. But the magic of this car isn't just on the outside. Step inside, and you'll understand why the Camry has become a longtime favorite for people who value comfort. The cabin welcomes you with soft materials, quality textures, and a layout that feels thoughtfully designed. Nothing is overdone, nothing is distracting, everything is exactly where it should be. The seats are supportive enough for long trips yet soft enough for daily comfort. Whether you're commuting, traveling with family, or taking long highway drives, the Camry keeps you relaxed, centered, and comfortable. The dual-tone interior, the smooth dashboard, the modern infotainment system, everything blends into a premium driving experience. But the real story begins under the hood. Toyota has spent decades refining its engines, making them smoother, stronger, and incredibly reliable. With the Camry, you get a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. Whether it's the traditional gasoline setup or Toyota's highly efficient hybrid system, the power delivery is clean, responsive, and buttery smooth. No vibrations, no stress, no drama, just a dependable, effortless drive. And while many sedans focus only on comfort, the Camry balances both comfort and handling beautifully. The steering feels precise, the suspension absorbs bumps like they barely exist, and the cabin stays surprisingly quiet, even at high speeds. This combination is something Toyota has perfected over years of continuous refinement. Safety is another area where the Camry stands tall. Toyota packs its latest models with advanced safety tech, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, blind spot monitoring, and so much more. Whether you're driving solo or with family, the Camry keeps you protected with some of the most reliable safety systems in the industry. But there's one thing that truly separates the Camry from the competition. Its long-term value. This car simply doesn't age the way others do. It holds its resale value extremely well, maintenance costs are low, and Toyota's legendary reliability means you can drive this car for years without worrying about major repairs. Many Camrys run easily past 200,000 to 300,000 miles, and still feel solid. That's why families trust it. Professionals trust it. Long-distance drivers trust it. Because the Camry is more than a car. It's a practically engineered partner, built to last, built to protect, and built to deliver comfort every single day. So when you look at the Camry, what you're really seeing is a complete package. Style, comfort, technology, efficiency, reliability, and long-term value. It doesn't rely on hype or trend-driven design. It relies on consistency and refinement. And that is exactly why the Toyota Camry remains one of the smartest car choices in the world. If you're someone who wants a car that feels premium without being overpriced. A car that remains comfortable even after hours of driving. A car that's safe, dependable, and built to last. Then the